up day. Rise and shine, the golden sun is looking fine. Bunny hops with happy cheer. Sunny days are finally here. They wear their hats, they skip and play. Let's have fun this sunny day. Flowers bloom and skies are blue. Chicky says the sun loves you. Chicky and Bunny, here we go. Learning weather, rain or snow. Sunny, rainy, windy too. Weatherland has much to do. Raindrops fall on Chicky's hat. Wind blows Bunny, imagine that. They splash in puddles, boots so high, with rainbow colors in the sky. Bunny twirls an umbrella bright. It spins and twirls left and right. Chicky chirps, I love the rain. Dripping drops on window pane. Chicky and Bunny, here we go. Learning weather, rain or snow. Sunny, rainy, windy too. Weatherland has much to do. Goes at the wind across the hill. Leaves fly high, oh what a thrill. Bunny's scarf flies like a kite. They hold on tight with all their might. Chicky's feathers fluff and dance. In the breeze they leap and prance. Let's fly our kites, Bunny sings. Let's see what this wild wind brings. Chicky and Bunny, here we go. Learning weather, rain or snow. Sunny, rainy, windy too. Weatherland has much to do. Snowflakes fall without a sound, soft and white upon the ground. Bunny builds a frosty friend, with carrot nose and mittens to lend. Chicky skates on frozen lakes, sliding down with giggly shakes. They throw snowballs with a cheer. Snowy days bring winter near. Chicky and Bunny, here we go. Learning weather, rain or snow. Sunny, rainy, windy too. Weatherland has much to do. Weather changes every day, in its own surprising way. Chicky says let's learn some more. Bunny giggles, adventure galore. Sun or storm, snow or breeze, every weather's sure to please. So come along, take our hand, let's explore the weatherland. Chicky and Bunny, off we go. Through the sunshine, wind and snow. Learning weather, what a view. Now the sky belongs to you. Chicky and Bunny, off we go. Through the sunshine, wind and snow. Learning weather, what a view. Now the sky belongs to you.